What's up guys, it's Sydney back with a new video, and today is gonna be a different video. It's gonna be a deep dive custom. So I'm not big into custom, I don't really know how to do it, but I found those Air Force One canvas. So if you check my outlet vlog, you're gonna see when I cop them. I cop them in a Paris outlet for 60 bucks, and I was like, I can make a good custom with that. A lot of people get the Travis Scott sale. They look pretty much the same. And they did a lot of custom with those. Like I saw some red, some purple, some green. So I was like, I'm gonna try. And with a 60 bucks shoes, I can't risk much. But the question was, what color should I dye him? So on Instagram, I follow a girl that's called Jenizer, and she did a deep dye custom on Jordan 4 Levi's, the white one, and she did a purple custom, and I think they look crazy. So she really inspired me, and I really want to do the same. So I got the purple, but I was like, that's not enough, I need something more. So I got the pink too. What I'm gonna do is do the right shoe purple and the left shoe pink. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it's gonna turn out good, and if it doesn't, at least I have tried. The first step is gonna be putting some tape on the midsole because I don't want it to dye. I want it to stay white, so I'm gonna cover it. So I'm gonna start with the purple. That looks very dark. I'm scared. It's game time, boy. Let's go. I'm gonna hold this like this for like a couple minutes. So far they don't look too bad, but not purple enough. So I'm gonna keep putting it in the dye. Okay, so after like 2 more minutes, it's not over yet, but woo! It's looking fresh. It's not ready yet, but it looks freaking fresh. A little bit more. So I put too much tape here. The tape is too high. So there is a part that didn't dye well. On the front too. Oh fuck. Like this is like too much white here. So I've put too much tape. I'm gonna dip it a little bit more, but not too much because the color right now is fine. I don't want it to get like too dark. Dip a little bit more at the front. Now, I don't know what to do. It's not that crazy, and since it's my first custom, it's not that bad. So now that the first shoe is done, let's get to the other one. I'm gonna do the other shoe with some pink. So first check, I still have the bottom issue, still have too much tape on the sole. So I'm really gonna tape it down. So after like 10 minutes of dipping, this is how they look. It's like a, I don't know how to call this color. It's really between the red and the pink. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna see how they turn out. Well guys, we are the next morning. It's now 3 a.m. I'm going on a World Cup basketball tournament. We're going to Auburn, Alabama. So I'm not gonna be able to finish the video right now. I'm gonna be back in 3 days, and I'm gonna see how they look and finish the video. See you guys. What's up guys, we are 3 days later. It's gonna be a vlog on the tournament, so make sure you keep checking the channel. Here's what the shoes looks like 3 days after. They're completely dry. I'm very happy because it really turned out pink. They were pretty red before, but now it's a real pink. But it's a little bit too light for me. Just gonna dye it just a little bit more to make sure the pink is a little bit darker and like more intense. So 1 day later, I re-dye the shoes, I let them dry, and here how they look like. They just look absolutely gorgeous. I very love the colors. They're absolutely perfect. So now we have a lot of purple on the midsole. So I'm gonna use the Angelus white paint to repaint the midsole white. And I'm probably gonna do the logo a little bit too. The midsole is looking white again. It's pretty white, so that's cool. So I'm finally done with that custom. Like always in my channel, I'm gonna leave you with some nice footages so you can enjoy the shoes as much as I do. Let's go!
Dans ce bar c'est chaud, on remballe tout la détail. Qui vient pécho, partira avec ou sans maille. Sombre toute mon équipe, moi je veux juste le cash. J'ai toujours été quitte, pour la concu je suis à. Dans ce bar c'est chaud, remballe tout la détail. Qui vient pécho, repartir avec ou sans maille. Sombre et toute mon équipe, moi je veux juste le cash. J'ai toujours été quitte, pour la concu je suis
apte. Qui se claque sur le parking, ma daronne a laissé des larmes sur le parquet. À ce que tu t'es fait trahir par qui? Dans mon équipe y'a de tout sauf des bookies. J'enfile mes gants, je rentre dans l'appart.